Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today Tricky is preparing cheese and onion spring rolls. The filling is a simple one with mild cheddar cheese, onions, chilies and coriander. The spring rolls taste just fantastic and are best served hot. This recipe is so short and simple, you must try it out. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Mix all the ingredients together, which is the mild cheddar cheese, onions, green coriander, green chilies and pepper powder. Omit the salt and only add it if you absolutely require it. Then set the mixture aside. Cut each spring roll sheet either into 4 squares as shown, or as 2 triangles as shown. This demonstration is where the spring roll sheet has been cut into 2 triangles. So place the filling on the spring roll sheet which has been cut into a triangle as shown. Wrap tightly, fold in the 2 sides and seal with flour paste. The same demonstration is being done again now with the spring roll sheet cut into 4 squares. Once again, wrap tightly, fold in the 2 sides and seal with flour paste. Next, when you've finished rolling all the spring rolls, heat oil in a pan. Gently drop in the spring rolls and deep fry on medium heat until the spring rolls are golden brown. Then remove and drain on a kitchen towel. Repeat the deep frying process until all the spring rolls are done. As mentioned earlier, spring rolls are best served hot. They taste delicious. Thank you for stopping by. Do give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.